Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can change the time in the Honda Accord VII. So, in the first step we have to hold the tune button. As you can see, there have a small clock, so just hold it until you hear the beep and the hour are blinking. As you can see now, there we have the small H and the small M, that means hours, minutes, and the small S reset. Now you can set the time by clicking on the 4 or 5 button. Now we have the 3 PM, so let's set it. Okay, sorry, once again, the 3 and 0, 2. Now to accept the hour, just click on this button once again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.